Hi, my name is Pella, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip refrigerator cookies. First, you have to make your cookie dough. First, in a large bowl, you need to add 3/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature and beat it until it's nice and smooth. Next, you add 2/3 cup of light brown sugar and 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar into the butter. And beat them together until it's light and fluffy. Now crack 1 large egg and room temperature into the mixture. And add 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And beat them into it until combined. Then in a medium-sized bowl, you need to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and if you like, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the flour. Now mix the dry ingredients together until combined. Now add the flour mixture into the cookie batter and beat it until combined. Now you can add 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of toasted chopped pecans into the cookie dough. And beat them into it until well combined. I made the chocolate chip pecan cookie dough. Now shape half of the cookie dough into a long log. Roll it with some plastic wrap. And put the cookie dough into the refrigerator to chill for 4 to 6 hours or the very next day. Now cut the cookie dough into cookies. And place them onto a baking pan. Repeat the steps. Now place the chocolate chip pecan cookies into a preheated 325-degree oven and bake them for 15 minutes. Remove the chocolate chip refrigerator cookies out of the oven and bake on 325 degrees for 15 minutes. And let them cool completely for about 10 minutes. Now this is the final presentation of the chocolate chip refrigerator cookies. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.